Thank you so much to Level 8 Luggage for sponsoring this video. More on them later. Hey Siri, set an alarm for 8:30. Good morning, guys. We are in Nashville, Tennessee. I am here because I am speaking on a panel with Poshmark at their poshfest, and I'm very excited. I'm a little nervous. Public speaking has never really been my forte. I have like a core memory as a child of being forced to present a paper in front of the entire school and all of the parents, and it just like stuck in my brain this entire time. But this time at least it's something that I'm excited to talk about, so I'm really looking forward to it. I love the outfit that I've picked out. Obviously that makes everything better. I'm getting ready right now. I just curled my hair. It always looks a little wild when it's just done. I have the door open, which I think makes the video so ugly, but I was getting to the point where I started sweating, and you all know that feeling when you're in a rush and it's something that you care about and you're getting ready and then you start to sweat. That's like the worst feeling ever. So I had to pump the air and get some air flowing into this bathroom while I'm getting ready. Luckily, my skin has been doing amazing. I don't know if you guys can tell, especially because I just put makeup on, but it's been doing so good. And I think half of the reason is because I've been using my high frequency wand. I even brought it with us on this trip just in case a last minute pimple popped up, which one did right there. So I zapped it this morning, and thank God I have my little wand. I have to be there at 9:30 for like a little pre-panel meeting, and then I have a couple hours and I don't have to be back there until like 12:45. I wasn't planning on doing like my full makeup before the pre-meeting prep, but I think after the meeting Tyler and I are going to get like a healthy breakfast. I'll probably grab a matcha, and then I really just want to be able to come back and change and just kind of chill and get myself in the zone. So I'm just gonna get ready now and make it easier on myself, because Lord knows me and my anxiety. I would be stressed if I had to come back to the hotel and put on makeup and change and prep and get there on time. Panel starts at 1, and then there is another one at like 2. So very excited, a little nervous, but I'm just gonna say that I am more excited than nervous. I've spent this whole week just like listening to podcasts, TED Talks about public speaking, just trying to like make me feel like I'm a little bit more prepared. I have this amazing Proenza Schuler dress that I actually found secondhand in LA, and I'm so excited to wear it. I think it's literally stunning. We did just get back from our long road trip where we saw like literally so much shit, but our goal is to see all of the lower 48 states at least before we have kids. We're aiming to have kids when I turn 30. So we're trying to see all of the continental United States before then, and we are really knocking some states off our list. That was so fast. All right, I'm gonna stop yapping and I'm gonna finish my makeup. We're gonna get going. Before we head to Poshfest, let's talk about Level 8 Luggage. First, I want to say so genuinely that this is some of the best quality luggage I have ever owned. You can tell that these are built so well. They roll so smoothly. They have tons of storage, great locks. They really quickly replaced our previous luggage. And just for you guys, Level 8 gave me a 10% off code for you guys to use on your order. I just had a online order for Miranda. Yeah. Thank you so much. Okay, I just got back from the pre-meeting. I got a little matcha. I went to 8 and Roast. Can you guys see that? It looks so bright. I got a matcha with some honey. So good. Hits the spot. Very matcha-y. They gave us some cute tote bags and I am going to get dressed. We need to leave here in like 30 minutes. I got lots of compliments on this outfit, which I do love. I thrifted this set. It might be vintage. Somebody asked me and I honestly don't know. I think it probably is vintage. This is my biggest travel hack ever. Get a travel dress bag and one that like folds in half like this, because then it basically comes like a carry-on. Like this is a pocket that you can put stuff in and it holds so much stuff, and I found it to be great for like dresses or jackets that take up a ton of room in your suitcase. This is the dress that I'm wearing. I'm so excited about it. It's so flattering. I think it may need to be ironed a little bit. Let's put it on and see. Okay, I tightened the straps to make them a little bit tighter because they were too long, but I might need to go back. I think they might be too short like this. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me get the shoes. I wanted to make it like a bit more stylish instead of styling it with like a plain pair of shoes. So I grabbed these. They're from Vince Camuto. And I just like the shape that they give. I already have my jewelry on. I have my necklace that I always wear, and then my earrings that I actually got on Poshmark. They're Dior. I got them for a steal. And then I'm gonna pair it with this bag. I think this is so cute. And then I was thinking for pictures to like make it a little bit more fun and vintage-y. I had a pair of sunglasses, which kind of give me like 70s vibes. And I love them. Okay, this is the fit. Let's go. Oh my gosh, guys. We just got back from day 1 of PoshFest. It went so well. Tyler's coming in with our wine.
Got a wine opener.
I'm so happy that I did this. I was so nervous and excited. I was both going into it, but it went so much better than I could have ever imagined. And Suzanne, the other Poshmark girl that I was talking with, and Asia, the girl who put it all together, they were both amazing and just so sweet. And I met so many nice Poshmark girlies, and I just feel like it's such a fun community to be a part of. It was so fun, and it was such a great event, and it was really amazing. Anyway, that like was the exclamation point at the end of a very crazy couple of weeks as far as like work goes, but it was an amazing way to end it off. So I'm ready to celebrate. Tyler has been so great through the whole process, just supporting me and, you know, being the best. So we're gonna celebrate. We're about to open a bottle of wine and we're gonna figure out where we're going to dinner tonight. It's like, I don't know, like 4 p.m, 4:30 maybe. So we got done at a great time. I really wanna wear my cute dress out, and these shoes are so cute. They were super comfy. The heel's a little bit thicker. I don't know if you can tell. I did thrift them, so I don't know, but they're Vince Camuto. I love these. Something about the shape of these shoes I think is so flattering, but I did change and I may wear flats out tonight. One of the things that Poshmark like gave away at their event today were these Rothy's, and I've heard so many good things about Rothy's as a footwear brand, and I know that they have really cute flats, so I got a replacement pair for these, which I thrifted so long ago and have just worn them literally everywhere. They're so stained and dirty. They just need to be replaced. And these Rothy's ones are like the same thing, but they have a way better sole on them. I might end up wearing these out tonight just so I can be comfy and we can walk around and see where the night takes us. But anyway, let's open a bottle of wine.
Add another cork to the list.
I didn't even think about it. We're starting a cork collection, which sounds so millennial of us.
Is it?
It's the paper cups for me. I love that it's a coffee cup.
Ain't coffee.
No, it ain't. Cheers. Red wine in a white dress. I know, right? That's not good. The express elevator. Up to the top? The only option. Zooming past you. Oh, I can't zoom all the way past you. No justice. This is the cutest restaurant bathroom that I have ever seen. Look at this view. Oh my god, like, are you kidding me? Hello guys, it is, what's today? Friday? It's the next day. We had poshfest day 1 yesterday, which you guys obviously saw. And we went out to an amazing dinner. Everything was just literally 10 out of 10 all around the board. Even the bathroom, like the bathroom in this restaurant was nicer than any home I'll probably ever own. I had one of the best thrift trips of my entire life. I found some absolute gems. You guys will just have to go look at the video and see what I found because it blew my mind. It really just blew my mind. We took a little nap. I feel rested. I was so tired. I feel like the anxiety and adrenaline and excitement, not even just from yesterday and speaking on the panel, but literally just the entire 2 weeks, the past 2 weeks, I feel like my body is just like, woman, give me some time to rest. Like, I feel so tired and drained and just spacey, you know. Very grateful. It's all been such amazing experiences, so I wouldn't trade it for the world. I'm not complaining, but I am very tired. This is also the second time I'm doing my makeup today. Does anybody else hate those days where you have to do your makeup twice? Do you hate taking off your makeup knowing that later on that day you're gonna have to do it again? Oh, that was a lot of bronzer. That was not intentional, but we're gonna go with it. Tonight we're going to a comedy show. That's one of our things that we do to see a city while we're traveling. We do 4 things. Eat, obviously, thrift or vintage shop, comedy shows, and then a jazz bar or live music, but usually it's a jazz bar. We're going to a jazz bar tomorrow. I also forgot my eyelash curler, which I haven't put mascara on without curling my eyelashes in years. I just haven't, but honestly, it doesn't look bad. It feels like the way that my eyelashes go or the way that they're supposed to go for my face. So just another testament to doing things the natural way. I feel like this might be the best view to show you my outfit right now. These are not the shoes that I thrifted, but I did thrift these shoes. They're from Vince Camuto. These are just my normal jeans. Bag. I think this bag's from Target. But I think it's cute and it's comfy. I need to put earrings on still. I think they might be in the car. Anyway, let's go to the comedy show. guys know I love a $5 rack. Look at these cute little denim capris. I'm trying them on. I tried to film a vintage vlog today, a separate video, but did not work. So let me show you what I got. I got one thing. This was like $28, I think. And I think it's just a cute little fitted brown jacket. I love, like, in the transitional months, pairing a jacket like this, like a fitted jacket with a mini skirt and some boots. I think it looks so cute. Anyway, we're drinking some wine. We're about to finish getting ready. We're gonna go to the jazz show tonight. It's actually an hour earlier than we thought it was. I thought it was at 9 and the show is actually at 8. And what time is it right now?
7:12.
It's 7:12. So we gotta get going and I need to make an outfit. Thank you again, Level 8, for sponsoring this video. Like I said, you guys can use my code for 10% off your order. If you were curious, I did order the textured luggage set in the 20-inch and the 28, and I also got the Atlas book bag, which Tyler and I rave about all the time. So check them out. Link is in the description. Love you guys. Bye.